Keeping cleaning standards consistent is challenging, especially across multiple sites, staff shifts, various operational teams, and different languages, on top of managing new starters and contract mobilizations. Training needs to be practical, accessible, and easy to manage. Introducing Advantage Learn, a specialist online training platform designed for cleaning and hygiene teams. It provides consistent, compliant training that helps teams clean safer, faster, and to a higher standard every time. Advantage Learn is built by cleaning professionals for cleaning professionals, so training reflects real-world tasks, best practice processes, risks, and environments. It is not generic e-learning. It helps businesses standardize training, support compliance and audit readiness, and maintain consistent standards across multiple contracts and locations, with training records and certificates available instantly. For cleaning teams, training is mobile-friendly, available in multiple languages and accessible 24/7, making it ideal for new starters, refreshers, and new contract mobilizations, learning that fits around your cleaning team's operations. Advantage Learn includes an expansive portfolio of best practice cleaning courses. It covers core cleaning and hygiene processes, washrooms and workplace food prep areas, floors and high-traffic environments, and specialist and high-risk cleaning tasks. Advantage Learn also includes training for high-traffic, higher-risk areas, including cleaning stairways, escalators and travelators, and passenger and goods lifts, where safety, method, and consistency matter most. Courses use clear, engaging lessons aligned to best practice processes, which are followed by an assessment to confirm understanding and retention. Once completed, the learner receives a certificate of completion as a digital training record, and this is saved online for future reference. Advantage Learn is designed to support diverse workforces with different experience levels and language needs. Courses are available in multiple languages, including English, Portuguese, Polish, and Spanish, with clear voiceover guidance, on-screen visuals, and closed captions to support accessibility. Training is instantly accessible, with no prior system knowledge required, helping teams get started quickly and confidently. For managers and supervisors, Advantage Learn provides a powerful, self-managed admin dashboard with full visibility and control of cleaning training activity. From one platform, you can oversee users, monitor progress, and manage training records across sites, teams, and roles. Administrators can add or remove site operators, review individual and team training status, and securely store or download certificates of completion. Built-in reporting shows enrolled users by course, time spent on training, and progress and pass rates, giving operations, facilities, and compliance teams the insight to maintain standards and demonstrate due diligence with confidence. Ready to see how Advantage Learn could benefit your business and work for your cleaning teams? Visit our website to explore the platform and register your interest, and one of our team will get in touch. Or speak with your BCHS account manager to arrange a live demo of the training platform, and we can get your team started today. Advantage Learn helps your workforce learn the skills they need to clean safer, faster, and more efficiently. Anytime, anywhere.